Well, my main focus is, on the one hand, embodiment, and closely connected to that, the idea of life. What these dualistic entities of body and functionalist mind fundamentally misconceive is, or neglect, is the living being or the living body. So the living body, in my view, is the opposite of a mechanistic body, and it is at the same time the actuality of the subject, so of consciousness. There is no disembodied consciousness, there is no disembodied mind, but there's only an embodied subject. Both come together in the idea of life, of the living being as being both an organic, biological body and organism, on the one hand, and at the same time having the second aspect, so to speak, and the second reality of being an experiencing being, a living and experiencing being. So here, in the idea and the concept of life, I think, is the fundamental unity where these broken apart aspects, broken apart dualistic entities of body and mind can again be united. But then we have to conceive of a life in a fundamentally different way than current biology does it. We have to conceive of life in the sense of a process of continuous becoming and continuous experiencing, which cannot be completely objectified, but which cannot be completely subjectified on the other hand. And that is a very, difficult notion, but I think we should really seek for a notion of the living being which avoids these dualistic polarity.